Okay, now we are going to test the changeover here. Okay, currently now we have the main supply available. This is the main supply, power supply is available. This is the main supply contactor, and this is the genset contactor. Okay, this is the genset supply. Currently now the genset supply is available. Alright, genset supply available and main supply also available. So I'm going to off this one to disable the main supply so that this one will off. And then as the genset supply available here, it will change over using the genset contactor. And then I'm going to on back this one, and then this one will go in, this one will off. Alright, so it's interlocking, main supply and genset contactor interlocking. Only one can on, cannot be both on. Alright, let's try it. Okay, now it's using genset contactor. Alright, now I on back this one. Okay, this is using main supply. Main supply. Okay, now I off the main supply using genset. Alright, now using genset. I on back this one. Now main supply. One more time, test one more time. Alright, very fast, the change. Okay, there you go.